Hi everybody, it's Philip from AOC1 and this is our week 2 project video talking about methods and how that separates for us inside of code. So first things first, let me go down here and I'll show you the methods that we created really quick. We have a basic add method, a compare method, an append method, and a display with string method. Now that's quite a few lines of code. It's from here all the way up to there. So that's a lot of lines of code. And the reason that we have them separate there is so that we can reuse those methods all that we want, and we don't have to constantly keep recreating them inside of the code. And it also helps make sure that just the implementation code itself, all of this right here, is short, simple, and sweet. So that is what we've done, and we were asked to show you what it looks like on the iPad, so let me go ahead and launch that for you. And as you can see there, the numbers 24 and 42 are equal. They are not. And the addition result is the number is 66. And the merged result is hello all you crazy people and robots. So that did exactly what the assignment wanted us to do, and of course nothing more because we weren't allowed to go beyond that scope. And probably one of the hardest things for me to figure out was the requirement that she needed for the bool compare, because on the bool compare you have to return a yes or a no function, but you can't use, in a string, the yes or a no string to return from bool if you're going to try to capture it inside of a bool comparison result. So you had to capture it just as a first equals second to return a boolean, and then you can actually assign that here. If you tried to send a yes or a no string from the bool result, which would work, the captured result here, which is bool, would actually be a yes regardless of what you send. It doesn't properly convert. So now that you're sending it correctly, the boolean can be evaluated with this ternary conditional and return a yes or a no. So that was probably the more difficult thing. But I did get that finished and we're happy. So I think for clarification reasons that she should have explained that better. But other than that, I think the project was fairly straightforward. And what do I think I could have done better? Well, I like to put more detail into my code, but we weren't allowed to put the detail into the code, so really I think I did everything the way that it should be done, and it was fun creating my own functions. I hope you guys enjoyed the little project today, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, you guys have a great and enjoyable day.